Master caution. Electrical DC bus 2 fault.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Become actions.
Electrical DC bus 2 fault. Air data switching first officer. First officer. Speed 270 knots. Altitude 35,000 feet.
Checked.
Baro ref check. Standard flight level 350.
Standard flight level 350. Checked.
Electrical DC bus 2 fault. Clear?
Clear.
Secondary failures. Cabin pressure. Loss of cabin pressure system 2. Cabin pressure. Clear?
Clear.
Fuel. Loss of number 2 fuel pumps. Fuel. Clear?
Clear.
Wheel. Loss of landing gear control and interface unit 2. Wheel. Clear?
Clear.
Flight controls. Loss of LAC 2, SEC 2 and 3. Consequent loss of spoilers 1, 2 and 5. Green servo on left aileron. Blue servo on right aileron. Green servo on left elevator and yellow servo on right elevator. Flight controls clear?
Clear.
Status. Landing distance procedure applied. Engine 2 approach idle only. Both PFD on same FAC. Pack 2 at fixed temperature. Slatch flap slow. Cat 3 single only. Inoperative systems. Spoiler 1, 2 and 5. LAC 2. SEC 2 and 3. VHF 2. Right windshield heat. Right window heat. Autopilot 2. Flight control unit 2. Cat 3 dual. FAC 2. Left tank pump 2. Right tank pump 2. Center tank pump 2. Landing gear control and interface unit 2. Reverser 2. Cabin pressure 2. Main galley. Clear?
Clear.
Brake steering control unit channel 2, engine 1 loop B, engine 2 loop A, pack 2 regulator, flight control data concentrator 2. Status clear?
Clear.
ECAM actions completed.
I have control. You have communications.
You have control, I have communications.